In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to boost your sales with Slack Sales Elevate. Slack Sales Elevate connects your Salesforce Sales Cloud data directly into Slack. So your revenue team can monitor deals, update pipeline details, and stay on top of important changes without constantly switching between platforms. It's a great way to keep sales activity visible and make day-to-day pipeline management much more efficient. Before you begin setting anything up, make sure your system meets the required conditions. Your organization needs to be using Slack Enterprise Grid, and your Salesforce setup must be on Sales Cloud Enterprise Unlimited or Performance Edition. You'll also need an active Slack Sales Elevate end user license assigned to your account by your administrator. If any of these requirements are missing, the feature may not appear or function correctly, so it's worth confirming this first. Once that's verified, open the Slack desktop app or access your workspace in a web browser. In the left-hand sidebar, look for the Sales Elevate tab, usually marked with a sales trend style icon. Click it to open your personalized revenue workspace dashboard. This is where you'll manage your opportunities, alerts, and pipeline activity. If this is your first time opening Sales Elevate, you'll need to connect it to Salesforce. Click the button labeled Connect Salesforce. A secure authorization window will open where you can sign into your Salesforce account. After logging in, click Allow to approve the connection. This permission enables Slack Sales Elevate to securely read, edit, and map your pipeline data so everything stays synchronized. After the connection is complete, your My Opportunities dashboard should appear. From here, you can tailor the view to match the deals and fields that matter most to you. Open the filter drop-down in the top right area of the dashboard to narrow your opportunities by stage, close date, deal size, or account owner. You can also select Edit Columns to choose which fields appear in your view, such as Next Step, Annual Recurring Revenue, or Forecast category. Taking a moment to customize this dashboard makes it much easier to focus on the right deals. You can also update pipeline details directly inside Slack. Just hover over a field like close date or stage, click the pencil icon, make your change, and then confirm it with the checkmark or save button. The update is pushed to Salesforce in real time, which helps keep forecasts accurate and reduces manual follow-up. To stay proactive, open the Alerts tab and click Create Alert. From there, define your trigger conditions, such as changes to opportunity value or deals with overdue close dates. Then choose where those alerts should be delivered, whether that's a private Slack bot message or a team sales channel. This helps your team respond quickly and keep deals moving forward. That is all. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you.